Hi guys, Friction RC here. It's ready. So my Lancian Delta Intergtale on a Tamiya TT01 chassis is now ready. I've done everything I needed to do basically to get it race ready. So it is. I've just had a quick spin outside just to give it a quick test. All seems to be working okay. There's a few noises here or there which I think I know what it might be. Nothing to do with the gears. If you have a look on the inside, if I show it from here, you can see that it is pretty much wires all over the shop. So it needs a bit of a tidy up, and that's what's obviously rolling around and rattling around, so I can easily do that. Bit of zip ties and that's that sorted. But yeah, this is now good to go. So come Sunday, I will be racing. Wish me luck. But in the meantime, here's a short vid of me taking it outside, giving it a spin. Obviously, I'm outside. I didn't bother raising the thing. It's a bit low. I've done that on purpose because on the track I'll be keeping it low. But out here, I really should have raised it a bit. But you know, as you get excited. But anyway, enjoy my first outing with the Tamiya. It's running on a 2S battery. I'll put the links. I'll put the description in the description what it all is. Enjoy, and thanks for watching.